What's going on YouTube? Jason Wicker, the DIY Dad, and it is the beginning of June. We are spending a lot more time outside in the yard, and this time of year we want to spend time outside, but sometimes we're hit with some pesky things called mosquitoes, sometimes some ants, and today I'm going to show you my two-prong approach on how I'm taking care of that in my backyard. Alright, the first thing that I'm using in my backyard is I have a Dynatrap setup. This particular one I bought at Costco, but you can buy them at any online retailer such as Amazon. And the way it works is it attracts the mosquitoes through this light right here. And then there's a fan that forces the bugs down, and then at that point it dries the bugs out and they ultimately die. I'll take a close-up of what's inside of here right now. But that's essentially what it is. So there's no chemicals, no nothing. You just got to be close enough to an electric outlet to make sure it's plugged in. You leave it on 24 hours a day and it goes ahead and kills the bugs. So you can see in here quite a few bugs, lots of mosquitoes, but this is just one way that I'm keeping them out of my yard. It does a pretty good job. Some gross nasty stuff in there. The second step that I'm using for my two-prong approach is Talstar P. Talstar P is a pesticide. You're going to spray 1 ounce per 1,000. So go ahead and make sure you have a good measurement of how big your yard is before you spray. But 1 ounce per 1,000, and today I'm going to be putting that in my dollar spray, and we're going to go ahead and spray the backyard. Make sure you get the beds, the lawn, around the patio, anywhere where you hang out. And I'm also going to get the mulch bed over here by the playground, so the entire backyard is going to be coated. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to be 100% effective. I'm going to say this is very close to being 95% effective. If you live in a suburban neighborhood like I do, you don't know what the neighbors are doing, so you might get some bugs from your neighbors, but this does a very, very good job of keeping them out of your yard, and hopefully your neighbors are doing the same thing, and hopefully your backyard's mosquito free. So let's go ahead and fill this up and get the spraying. Alright, so we got the Talstar P applied using the ortho, using was it 1 ounce per 1,000 square feet. So I got that all sprayed. I also sprayed approximately 18 inches up all along the side of the house, and the reason for that is the Talstar P also kills and repels mosquitoes, ants, spiders, chinch bugs, Japanese beetles. So it covers a huge array of pests that can enter your home or be around your home. So hopefully this helps you enjoy your backyard while you're in it a little bit longer, especially when it comes to dusk and you got the fire pit going and you're not having to use all that bug spray on your skin or your kids. So if you like this type of content, please make sure you like and subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the next video.